National Weather Service in Lubbock, Texas has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Lubbock County in northwestern Texas, northeastern Hockley County in northwestern Texas, southwestern Hale County in northwestern Texas, southern Lamb County in northwestern Texas, until 8:30 p.m. At 7:39 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 4 miles west of Littlefield, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. This is a destructive storm for Littlefield. Hazard: baseball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: people and animals outdoors will be severely injured. Expect shattered windows, extensive damage to roofs, siding, and vehicles. Locations impacted include Littlefield, Anton, Amherst, Spade, and Reese Center. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. The storm is producing large hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for northwestern Texas.